Hugo's first adventure in the swing. What does he think? Because he lives in Sweden, he gets to do it in the snow. You may hear the puppy whining in the backgrounds because he can't be by himself. And Hugo kind of likes it. Whee! Let's give him a little push. Yeah, look, Mommy's giving you a push. That's cool, huh, Hugo? Yeah. How fun is that? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, the wiggles. You really like it, huh? Huh? Maybe another little push? Do you need another little push? Huh? Yeah, Hugo. Let's get some speed going, buddy. Yay! Look at you go. Yeah, that's fun, huh? Yeah. I think we're going to be doing more and more of this. Yeah, it's a good thing this is across the street from where you live, buddy, huh? Yeah, it's a big smile. Big smile. Big smile for Hugies. All right, buddy. Nice job.